Alright, so the vent pipe came with was this 6-inch one. I have a 4-inch one up there already. So I pulled that out and I placed this up here and traced around it. And now I'm going to cut that out. And I don't have a regular saw or a blade, so I'm just going to use a kitchen knife and try to do it that way. Okay, so I'll just kind of work around and get onto that part. Since the sheetrock's pretty easy to cut through, you know. Generally speaking. Okay, and this is just a serrated kitchen knife. Okay, so not the easiest thing to cut with, for sure, but it's doing the trick, kind of. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Switching hands here. I guess I could have got my reciprocating saw, but that was kind of overkill for this little hole, but might have been easier. Must be that difficult. I'll break that little part out there then. Yeah. Okay, that's kind of lucky that didn't tear my whole ceiling. That would have been awesome. But anyways, most of this is going to be covered by the vent cover. So let's get this out of here. I'm not, yeah. Okay. I'm sure you guys don't need to watch the entire cutting of this, so you got the general idea. Get that all cut out and we'll continue.